True or false, segregation in the U.S. Armed Forces did not end until after World War II. True, false. How did factories contribute to the war effort? A. They began producing war materials, tanks, jeeps, rifles, helmets, and artillery. B. They cut prices on things so Americans could afford more on rationing. C. They paid soldiers returning from war more money. In what ways did women support the war effort during World War II? You may use the audio option to record your answer. What group of Americans were moved to internment camps during World War II? A. German Americans. B. Italian Americans. C. Japanese Americans. Fill in the blank. The Office of Price Administration was responsible for ordering factories to produce war materials, placing Japanese Americans in internment camps, ordering anti-discrimination policies in workplaces, keeping prices and wages under control. What was rationing used for? A. To control the prices of items at the grocery store. B. To limit how much Americans could purchase of certain items. C. To pay women more money for working in factories. Fill in the blank. The government also encouraged people to grow blank, where Americans grew their food to produce more for the war effort. Collective farms, grocery gardens, victory gardens, food factories. Who were the code talkers? A. Native American soldiers who used their native language to help during the war. B. Women who left their homes to go work in factories during the war. C. People who spied for the enemy troops at home. True or false? Americans held scrap drives to collect recycled goods, such as tin and other metals for the war effort. True, false? How was money collected for the war effort? Choose all that are correct. A. Inflation. B. Taxes. C. War bonds.